Atlanta, near Atlanta, where our daughter lives. And I just wanted to show you our hotel room. We're staying at the Hampton Inn. And look at this beautiful room. I love it that the bathroom door is like a barn door. That's so cool. When you open that, it exposes the closet. They upgraded us to a bigger, better room. I don't know if it's bigger, but it's better because our room was not ready. So along with the king bed, which we expected anyway, we get a free minibar, complimentary, and it's more like a suite. It has a little desk there, and it has a sofa and table. So I expect it to be a super nice day. I'm excited to be here, and I think this room is great. It's spacious, it's comfortable. It has everything we need.